Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so on Paul's Hardware, every now and then you can probably see me adding some sort of visual effect, right? So like in this case, see like the arrows here? Yeah, these guys here. Now the logo, I made that in SFX, and I'll show you how I did that in some other video. But you know, if on YouTube, thankfully, there's a lot of people hooking it up with like free green screen assets, you know, sound effects as well. Then like, well, there's something particularly that you need, you can find it on YouTube, right? Disclaimer: make sure you guys read the descriptions and make sure they're okay with that, or you give them credit and all that good stuff when you use any other assets, right? For the most part, like if you go to the description, say like this guys over here, you know, they'll have like their Twitter and all that good stuff here, but for the most part, they also give you like a link so you can download like the video, right? And they're like, yeah, use it, whatever, fuck it, right? It's no problem. But what I want to show you is basically what I use to like download like content from YouTube, right? Now, just to make it clear, I'm not encouraging people to like download other fucking people's content and, you know, uploading it on your own fucking YouTube channel and then monetize a video. I mean, that's happened to Paul, and I'm sure it's happened to many other YouTubers, and I'm sure it's very annoying. Don't fucking do that, right? But me showing you this, basically me showing you a tool that I use. That way I'm able to get assets that I need from YouTube so I can use it in Paul's videos, right? Whether it's sound effects, stock footage, or green screen stuff like this, right? You know, so say like these things like the arrows, right? You know, I just typed in green screen arrows and like this appeared, right? And like, you know, it's perfect for what I need it for, right? So again, I'm showing you this to help you make your life easier, not because, you know, I'm not encouraging people to like, you know, steal other people's shit, because yeah, that's fucking wrong and annoying, right? So all right, so the thing that I use is called a 4K downloader, right? It's a pretty cool app. It's very simple to download. It's very user friendly. You know, it looks like this, right? Really good app, very simple, right? So in this case, say if you're a fan of like Davey 504, right? I like this guy, he's funny.
What's up, slappers? Welcome to a new episode of Zayai.
All right, so let's say if like you want to do a parody video of this guy because you're a fan, right?
What's up, slapper?
You want to do like that slapper thing. So I'm like, all right, I need that sound effect, that specific slap. So yeah, you just like type in fucking slap sound effect, right? And here you go. You got it. So now what do you got to do to get this sound effect, right? Now as you see, there's Cake Roll Bakery. That's your name. Thanks for providing this video. So what you do is you go to like the video's link up here, right? You copy that. I'll do Control-C on my keyboard. Or you can right click, do a copy. Then you go to your app. Then in the app, there's a link here that says paste, or you click on that. You got some options here, right? You can do whatever quality is available, right? So then you choose like the area you want to download this thing to. So in my case, I'll just say, I don't know, downloads for, just put it on downloads on the internet. So hit save. Then you hit download, right? And it's a short video, so it's super quick, right? So then you can actually, when you hover over to like this file that got downloaded, you got these three little dots over here you have to click on. You get this pull down menu. Then you say show in folder. Then you get a window that opens up. It pretty much just shows you where like that sound effect is at. So you got it here now. Wow, that's loud. So now in this case, you know, since I have the sound effect, I can do my fucking Davey 504 sound effect, like
Slappers.
slap comment, you know, stupid shit like that, right? So, you know, that's pretty much what I do to get sound effects, right? So, yeah, fairly simple. Yeah, that's basically it. Short video. All right. So, yeah, 4K downloader, it's a really cool software. It's constantly being updated. You know, you do get like ads appear here, and you can upgrade to like a premiere version of it so you don't get any advertisement or something like that. Or I guess they give you more features if you upgrade it, but I mean, I don't really, I use like the basic version as is, right? So it's cool software, cool little app. You know, definitely has helped me out a lot to edit pause videos, you know? So yeah, give it a look. And again, I'm not encouraging people to use this fucking downloader thing to like download people's projects so they can upload it to their own YouTube channel as their own, because that's fucked up and stupid. Anybody that does that deserves to get their crotch burnt with gasoline and sulfur and whatever. Don't do that, please. That's fucked up. All right, I'm just using this to get like sound effects and any assets or green screen stuff, you know, when I'm making my videos. And you know, we do credit people when necessary, right? So yeah, that's it. So 4K downloader, very helpful tool. All right, hope it helps. Take care and peace.